Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Monday. So remember, today there is no Zoom meeting, but you just have to watch this video. Okay, same thing as if we were having a Zoom meeting. On this video, this is going to explain what has to be turned in today at the end of class. So at 10:10, this is due, and also all the stuff that needs, how to complete it and where to find it. So in your overview section on your It's Learning, as you can see, you'll see this in there, and it'll tell you exactly what's being completed. So remember, over the weekend, you should have finished your Piktochart if for some reason you hadn't already. And today, it's just really completing the checklist and turning that in and doing a peer review. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you're in your reflection poster project here. And then this has all the instructions. If for some reason, again, you are behind and you need to finish, you will quickly click on this digital word wall here. This has all of the terms that you need that can be used in the project. This also has some extra examples that go with it if you need any of that assistance, right? The last thing you're going to do, though, is click on the Google Classroom, and this is where the checklist is that's going to be completed. When you click on it, it will take you to your honors physics page, and in the classwork section, you'll see an assignment, which is Physics IC checklist. When you go to the assignment, you're going to have this here. This is the Piktochart shared links. If for some reason you have a new link or you still need to share how to get access to your Piktochart, this is where you need to make sure to update yours. So that's how I grade it. So if I can't find your name and I can't find access to a Piktochart, then that will just go in as a 0 because I don't have your project. The Physics IC, though, is what you're going to complete. So if you just click on that, you can see that all you're doing is filling this out. Now, there is one thing that I had to change, which is down here at the end. This said section 9 originally, and it said gravity. You have to change this to section 5 and just put cannon launch. So we had some that had to get reworked around. Okay. Once you do that, all you're doing is going through the checklist and you're looking at your Piktochart to make sure that everything was completed. So this is where you list the physics concepts. So if you did on your Piktochart, you would say, yes, I chose a concept. For section 1, I chose inertia. Then you need to list the standard, and it says, did you list your standard on your Piktochart? Yes, I did. My standard was SP1A. Did you underline your concept? Did you relate the concept to the sport? Did you define the concept? So I said yes to all of these. And you would do the same for each one, making sure to fill out the concept and making sure to fill out the GPS standard. Okay. The next thing is the very last thing here. Once I finish checking everything off, I'm going to share my Piktochart with a friend of mine. So let's say my friend was Anijah. I'm going to show my Piktochart to her. I'm going to share it with her. She's going to read it, and then she's going to do a discussion post, which I'll show you here in a second. So whoever you share it with, you on your checklist want to put who you're going to share it with. And you don't have to put it for each one, but you can if you want. But I just put Anijah. She's going to be the one that looks at my stuff. And then that's it. So once I finish all of this, then I'm going to submit this into Google Classroom and turn it in. And that's it. Once again, you have also gotten a peer review. So someone's going to share a Piktochart with you. When they do that in today's lesson, again, which will be in your overview page for the day on Monday, you're going to see another assignment, which is called the peer review. This is the last thing that you will do. So you're going to answer the following questions after you have reviewed another student's Piktochart. Whose Piktochart did you review? Name one positive thing you liked about their poster. You need to fix that. And describe one thing they could have worked on to make it better. And that's it. So you're going to tell me who it was, what did they work on, make it better. And then this will be checked with the person's name on the checklist to make sure that that was the correct person. So that is the very last thing that you do. And then once you have done that, you are done for the day. All right. You can have any questions that you might have, go ahead and put it in the It's Learning chat box. We will be working with some of the who are in person today. We just won't have the Zoom meeting, but I can still help you out once we have done all of our procedural stuff, and I can get back to that for any of those that may have questions. Okay. And that's it. I hope you all have a great Monday.